Hello my Web3 friends, CoinRaces has officially launched their demo features. So the link of this site will be down there on the Telegram group. So this demo account is being connected to your MetaMask, and you are going to select the base wallet when connecting this. If you don't know how to do this, you can write it down on the comment section so that I can put you through screenshots. Now what you're going to do is to select, and let's just say you can select one of the horses which varies with their token who is going to win in the race. Just know that they are using the actual market price. So use the link, get here and learn how to use this demo account so that when this token have launches, you'll be able to withdraw from this. So here is our previous video on CoinRace. This during the time they gave out about 75,000 tokens, and also made their announcement right here on Telegram. So make sure you are here on Telegram to get the update day to day. So go through that video and understand what CoinRace is all about. Now this Web3 airdrop has already been launched, and right here you are seeing is the platform like where you're going to be able to earn the token from this airdrop, and a lot of tokens can be earned right here, just like the Doge, the Pepcoin, the Boku, etc. So how does this game work? What you're going to do is to select the coin that has more market value. So the more market value the coin has, the more possibility it is going to beat other coin. Like all this coin represents the horses in the game. So for example, this is the Doge. I can go ahead and place the Doge to take the first position right here. Once the Doge takes the first position, I'm going to be earning some amount of this coin race. For now, this is just a demo account, and you have been given over 1,000, about 10, let's just say about 10,000 this coin race. Don't forget that we also have our previous earning from the previous distribution, which is about 26 coin in this coin race. Now what you're going to do, like we said, is to practice, use this to get to know the features of this site. If you have any question, don't forget to go ahead and write it down on the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Now there are other prediction features right here, but with time I'm going to explain it all. Don't forget to go ahead, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now. Like I said, drop a comment right there on the comment section to tell us what you think about this video. See you guys in the next video.